why did we invest in one of these AMR auto scrubbers? And really, it was a couple of things. One is the fact that we have a really hard time obtaining extra help or getting help to clean our buildings. And the other reason is to help us save time with man hours. By gaining one of these, it's like getting extra help that we don't have to pay for. Shows up all the time, never is late, very dependable.
It's a big time saver. Time saver meaning 3 to 4 hours a day that we don't have to drive the machine. We can actually concentrate on doing other stuff throughout the school. So for us, that's a huge advantage by having a robot. This is our new team member, as our new cleaner we call Trino. That's what we nicknamed it. It's actually a fantastic add-on to the school. It's actually kind of nice not driving it for once, and it actually does its own thing. But it's actually a fantastic piece of the school that we, that they got for us, and it's I couldn't be happier actually.
So one of the questions is our partnership with SantaCare and Tennant. And I have to say, over the years, it's been wonderful. And we've always had a lot of the Tennant products. SantaCare has always been right with us as a partner, bringing us the latest and greatest as to what they have to offer, so that they make sure that we are on top of it. And when it came to this unit, both parties, Tennant and SantaCare, were together with us through the whole process of mapping out our building, training our people, and ensuring that everything's been working well. The follow-up has been good from both sides. So it's been a wonderful partnership. One of the things that we haven't touched on with this unit is the fact that it allows our maintenance people to be uninterrupted. When you don't have an AMR unit, then the person riding it, if something comes up, they have to stop scrubbing, get off the machine, go do whatever is asked of them, then come back, get back on the machine and start all over again. And so that really wastes a lot of time. With this unit, we don't have to worry about that. We set it, it runs, it's always gonna run, it's gonna get the job completed, and we're able to use that extra time to better service the public, the students, and the staff in the building. And so it's been a huge help that way. One of the questions we get from a lot of other school districts is, what do you really think of the AMR? And for us, it's been a great addition to what we do. It does not replace employees, but what it does do is it allows our employees more time to do things, and it relieves a lot of stress from their job. So again, it's like having an extra employee that anybody can use, anybody can program. It's extremely easy to use. So we really enjoy it.